Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me at Blyton Park, a circuit I have wanted to come to for years. I'm actually here as part of a private event the friend of mine has organised. There's some pretty impressive cars here today, which I'll show you throughout the video. I've brought my Tiger Avon because my new car is still in the workshop. But it's been a really good morning so far, been out for a good few sessions. The circuit is obviously short, but very technical, pretty heavy on the brakes. Not particularly fast in terms of my Tiger point of view. I mean, I rarely can touch 100 miles an hour, but really good fun circuit. The weather is just perfect, like it's proper overcast. It had a little bit of rain this morning and there is a little bit supposedly forecast for the afternoon, but all things being well, near perfect conditions for it. Okay, so that's us done for the day. It's been an amazing day at Blyton. The weather has been okay. This afternoon it was raining a lot, unfortunately, sort of on and off, which meant that I wasn't out as much as I perhaps could have been. And when I did go out, I had to be just pretty careful because it was a bit greasy. But the Tiger performed flawlessly throughout the day. I was able to take loads of friends out and let them have a drive as well. Obviously for them who come in tin top cars, it's unlike anything else I've ever driven. So, but they also reciprocated. I got to drive an Audi R8 today, a Jaguar SVR, a Lotus Elise. It was just awesome. A really different experience compared to the Tiger. Overall impressions of Blyton, really nice track. Obviously it's small by comparison to Bedford, where I go normally, but it's technical, you know, and you can really build upon it throughout the day. It is very heavy on brakes though. I mean, not so much of an issue for my car, but a lot of my friends that were here, they've really been sort of chewing through their discs and pads today. It's just something to know for you guys if ever you want to come up to Blyton. Perhaps bring a spare set of pads with you just in case. But next track day is booked for the end of August. So until then, cheers guys.